What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm sharing my stovetop white chicken chili recipe. So creamy, so delicious. It's perfect for any time of year, really. Let's start with our ingredients. I have onions, green peppers, corn, canned diced tomatoes, and chilies, aka rotel. You can use either navy beans or Great Northern beans. Then I have my homemade chili seasoning here. You can find detailed measurements for all of the ingredients I'm using in the description box below. I also have some broth here, and for the chicken you can use breasts or thighs. You want to dice those into some smaller chunks, maybe an inch or two thick. And so first I'm going to be using my Dutch oven. You can also use a soup pot. Add some olive oil and your chicken to the stove at medium heat. I'm going to season this chicken. I'm going to use some salt and pepper here. And then you just need to cook the chicken for a few minutes until it's fully cooked through and no longer pink. I remove the chicken, set it aside, and then I'm going to add my diced peppers and onions here. You can use white onions or red onions. Then we're going to saute those until the onions are fragrant. I'm adding in some garlic here. Give that a stir, and then I'm going to add in just a little bit of broth so that I can deglaze the bottom of this pot. And what that does is it scoops up those brown bits that the chicken left behind, and also some of the searing of the vegetables. Those have so much flavor, so if you use a wooden spoon, works great. It's a great way to deglaze the bottom of the pan. So after I do that, I'm adding my beans and my diced tomatoes and chilies to the pot, along with the rest of the broth and the chicken. Gonna give everything a good stir here. I don't like to add too much broth because I like thick chili. If you want it to be a little thinner, you can add more broth or water. Then I'm gonna add in my chili spices here and give everything a stir. Once this reaches a rolling boil, I'm going to place the lid on the pot and then adjust the heat on the stove to low. I'm going to let that simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's thick. And then I have cream cheese and some grated Colby Monterey Jack cheese as well. So then once that chili has thickened, I'm going to add in the cream cheese and the grated cheese along with the corn. You can use canned corn, frozen corn, fresh corn, whatever you like here. And you want to give everything a stir. You want that cheese to melt down. You want the cream cheese to melt down. And this is going to get even thicker. It's going to give a rich consistency and taste. So, so good. And this just has so much flavor. I love to serve this with my homemade cornbread. Be sure to check out my recipe for that as well.